Hey, what's up you guys? If you're planning on towing a trailer with your Nissan Xterra, you have to have trailer wiring installed. It's required by the law. Let's go ahead and break down that install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. So Nissan makes this install really easy for us. They have a pre-wired plug located right here on the passenger side frame rail. Now we need to remove this cap. There's a tab right here on the top. We're just going to push on it. And once it clicks, it can be a little tough to get out. So we're going to take a flathead screwdriver and we're just going to pry it just enough where now we can pull it out. Now we'll take our trailer wiring harness and we're just going to plug it right in. So now that we have that plugged in, we pulled it over our hitch and we're going to take our provided desk cover and we're going to place it on top of our wiring. So now let's talk about how you can store your 4-flat harness. A lot of people can just wrap it around their hitch and leave it in the tow loop, but it can pop out and drag on the ground, causing damage to your wiring. So we're going to secure it using a 4-flat mounting bracket. Now this bracket is not included with our kit, but you can pick one up at your closest U-Haul store or at uhaul.com. Now to install it, we're just going to line it up here on the bottom of the bumper, and since we do have a metal bumper, we're going to use the provided self-tapping screws to attach it. Now we're going to take our wiring and we'll pull it through till it locks into place. And then we'll secure it with the dust cover again. So you'll have a lot of extra slack left over. We're just going to bundle this up and use the provided zip ties to secure it behind our bumper. So that wraps up our install. Now you're ready to tow a trailer. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this product, or if you'd like to take a closer look at one, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.